Hi Silver Moon, this is teacher Berna. I miss you all and I hope everyone is doing well. Today we're gonna make a cooking project and it's gonna be, anybody has any guess? It's gonna be Israeli salad. What do we need to make the Israeli salad? We need 1 cucumber, we need 2 tomatoes, we need 1 lemon, we need salt, and we need olive oil. All right, make sure to wash your hands. I washed my hands. Put your gloves on so you can help your parents. And we're gonna use a plastic knife, but I'm gonna start with a real knife and your parents gonna help you do this part. So I'm gonna cut the cucumber in half. I'm gonna cut this part too in half and this part as well. Now I'm gonna use my plastic knife where you can start helping, and I'm gonna cut the cucumber in small cubes so I can have my Israeli salad. It's so yummy, it's so healthy. So you keep cutting. And then you put it in the bowl. I have more. I have another 3 pieces to cut. So I'm gonna do it later. But I just wanna show you how to do it. So you're gonna finish cutting the cucumber and you're gonna cut it into small pieces, cubes. Then we're gonna start with the tomatoes. I need 2 tomatoes. This is the first one. I'm gonna cut this part, put it on the side, and I'm gonna cut the tomatoes into pieces. Then I'm gonna try to make small cubes and put them on top of the cucumber. I love Israeli salad. It's so healthy. It tastes so good. Some people like to put onions. We're not gonna put onions today. Some people like to add peppers, wherever you want. But today we're not adding onions or peppers. So after you finish cutting, and make sure to cut very slowly so you don't cut your finger. I'm gonna add the tomato into the bowl over here. Now, what do you think we're gonna do next? So I already did the cucumber, the tomato. I'm gonna cut later my rest of the cucumber and my other tomato. Now, next, I'm gonna do the lemon. How are we gonna put the lemon inside? Should I put it like this? Nope. I need to cut it in half. And I want you to help your parents to squeeze the lemon, okay? So all the juicy will go down, juicy lemon. So I'm gonna squeeze my lemon. I need only 1. Here we go. Can you see the juicy part? When you finish, you add the lemon on top of the cucumber and the tomato. Then next we're gonna put the olive oil. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of olive oil on top. Maybe I can put another one too, so 2 tablespoons. Here we go. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. You put it on the top. Then you mix everything together and enjoy. Bon appetit. Bye.